What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a new unboxing and brief overview. We have the power supply for our Scarlet Wolf build, and this is the first time that I've been able to use this SeaSonic FOCUS Plus Gold 650 watt fully modular. I've known that SeaSonic is a very good company for a while. I just tend to buy power supplies from EVGA, and I wanted to try out a new power supply. So we chose this one. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. Crap. It's okay. Got our manual here. Got some cable ties. Oh, wow, you got some zip ties and cable wrap ties things. So that's pretty cool. And we got a nice case badge. Wow, SeaSonic. I like it. Got our power cable. Got our big bag of cables, which has a nice little drawstring. The logo here. Not gonna go into that yet. Got a power supply, which is always in a bag. Well, if you get the good power supplies, they're in bags. This is really just a trim bag. There's no cord on it, so it really just goes like that. And being that it's a 650, it doesn't need to be really long. Is the hybrid mode, probably something with cooling and noise. Being that it's a 650 watt, it doesn't have a lot of ports on the back, but it doesn't need to, and it can't. You know, if you're only buying a 650 watt, then you're not going to be connecting 4 video cards because there was not enough juice for that. And it doesn't need all the space that, say, a 1000 or a 1200 or a 1500 would require on the length, going that way. Got our fan here, got a really big nice fan. Look at that. That is one flat fan. Our AC power here, we've got our power switch, and we've got our hybrid mode. If you turn on hybrid mode, then the fan won't turn on until this certain load is reached. On the back side, we've got our motherboard power, we've got our CPU power, PCIe, we've got another CPU, PCIe, another PCIe, and then we have 4 connections for SATA, IDE, and Molex. And then in the bag, we've got a bunch of cables. These are pretty standard. We'll actually be using some custom cables, which are already here, and if we need to use the Molex and whatnot, then we'll still use the normal black ones. But the motherboard will get, it'll use this cable, which is black and red. If it can't reach, we'll just route the normal cable from the power supply to this, and we will use this as an extension. So that's how that's gonna go. We've got that for the motherboard. We've got another one for the video card. Yeah. So another black and red one for the video card, and another one for the video card if you needed dual 8-pin. That's about it for the power supply. If you like watching this video, I'm glad. If you didn't, let me know what I can do better next time, and I'll work to make that happen. If you like watching our channel, please subscribe to our channel. There's a little button down below. There'll be links to this power supply and this cable kit down below as well. And we'll see y'all in the next video.